Antarctica, a continent shrouded in ice and mystery. This vast frozen landmass is one of the most remote and least understood places on Earth. Its icy expanse stretches as far as the eye can see, a seemingly endless desert of snow and ice. Located at the southernmost point of our planet, it's a place of extremes. The South Pole experiences some of the harshest weather conditions known to man, with temperatures plummeting to unimaginable lows and winds that can reach hurricane force. It's twice the size of Australia, covered in a vast ice sheet. This ice sheet, which blankets the continent, is so massive that it contains about 60% of the world's fresh water. From space, Antarctica appears as a brilliant white expanse, a stark contrast to the blue oceans surrounding it. This ice sheet is the largest on Earth. It is a dynamic and ever-changing landscape, with glaciers that move and flow, carving out valleys and shaping the terrain. The sheer scale of the ice is difficult to comprehend, with some glaciers being hundreds of miles long. It holds about 70% of the world's fresh water. This makes Antarctica a crucial component of our planet's climate system. The ice acts as a giant reflector, bouncing sunlight back into space and helping to regulate global temperatures. Antarctica wasn't always covered in ice. Millions of years ago, it was a much warmer place, teeming with life. Fossil evidence suggests that lush forests once covered the land, providing a habitat for a variety of plant and animal species. Millions of years ago, it was a warmer place. The climate was temperate, and the continent was part of a supercontinent known as Gondwana. Over time, as the continents drifted apart and the climate cooled, Antarctica became isolated and began to freeze over. Lush forests covered the land. Strange creatures roamed freely. These ancient ecosystems have left behind a treasure trove of fossils, providing scientists with valuable insights into the Earth's past climate and the evolution of life. But over time, the climate changed dramatically. The continent began to cool and ice started to spread. This process took millions of years, gradually transforming Antarctica into the frozen wilderness we see today. The continent froze over, burying its secrets under a thick layer of ice. This ice has preserved ancient landscapes and ecosystems, locking them away in a frozen time capsule. Scientists are now drilling into the ice to uncover these hidden secrets and learn more about our planet's history. This frozen world is a land of stark beauty and unforgiving conditions. The landscape is both breathtaking and inhospitable, with towering ice cliffs, vast ice plains, and a silence that is almost otherworldly. Despite the harsh conditions, life has found a way to survive here. It's a place of constant scientific discovery. Researchers from around the world come to Antarctica to study its unique environment and unlock the secrets of its ice. Their work is helping us understand everything from climate change to the history of our planet. Beneath the ice lies a hidden world waiting to be explored. Subglacial lakes, ice caves, and underwater ecosystems are just some of the wonders that lie beneath the surface. These hidden realms are home to unique forms of life that have adapted to the extreme conditions, a world that holds clues to our planet's past and possibly even its future. By studying the ice and the life it harbors, scientists hope to gain insights into how our climate is changing and what the future may hold for our planet. Antarctica, the frozen continent, remains one of the last great frontiers of exploration and discovery. Antarctica is the coldest, windiest, and driest continent on Earth. This vast frozen wilderness is a place of superlatives where the environment is as harsh as it is beautiful. The sheer scale of the ice sheets and the stark white landscape create a sense of otherworldly isolation. Temperatures can plunge to -90 degrees Celsius, colder than any other place on the planet. The cold is so intense that it can freeze exposed skin in minutes, making survival without proper gear impossible. Hurricane-force winds whip across the icy plains, reaching speeds of over 200 kilometers per hour. These relentless gales can create whiteout conditions where visibility is reduced to almost nothing, and the landscape becomes a disorienting blur of snow and ice. Precipitation is scarce, making it a polar desert. Despite the vast amounts of ice, Antarctica receives less than 50 millimeters of precipitation annually, most of it in the form of snow. This lack of moisture contributes to the continent's extreme dryness. These harsh conditions make exploration extremely challenging. Expedition teams must be well prepared to face the brutal weather, carrying specialized equipment and supplies to survive the freezing temperatures and fierce winds. Scientists and explorers must endure months of isolation and darkness during the winter. Supplies are limited, and the long, sunless months can take a toll on both physical and mental health. The isolation is profound, with the nearest human settlements thousands of kilometers away. Communication with the outside world is difficult. Satellite links and radio are often the only means of contact, and even these can be unreliable due to the extreme weather conditions. Staying connected with the rest of the world is a constant challenge. Yet despite these challenges, the quest to understand Antarctica continues. Researchers and explorers are driven by a passion for discovery and a desire to unlock the secrets of this frozen continent. Their work is crucial for advancing our knowledge of Earth's climate and ecosystems. The continent's extreme environment provides a unique natural laboratory. Scientists study its ice, its climate, and its geological history. Ice cores drilled from deep within the ice sheets hold records of past climates, offering invaluable insights into how our planet's climate has changed over millennia and its unique life forms. Despite the harsh conditions, Antarctica is home to a variety of wildlife, including penguins, seals, and microscopic organisms that thrive in the ice. Studying these resilient creatures helps scientists understand how life can adapt to extreme environments. The data they collect helps us understand climate change and the history of our planet. By piecing together the information gathered from this remote and inhospitable land, scientists are able to make predictions about future climate trends and the potential impacts on global ecosystems. One of Antarctica's most intriguing mysteries lies hidden beneath its icy shell. Using radar and other technologies, scientists have discovered a network of subglacial lakes and rivers. These bodies of water exist in total darkness, trapped beneath kilometers of ice. Lake Vostok is the largest of these subglacial lakes. It's about the size of Lake Ontario. Scientists believe it's been isolated from the outside world for millions of years. This isolation makes it a time capsule. It could hold clues to life on early Earth. The discovery of subglacial lakes and rivers raises a fascinating question. Could life exist in these extreme environments? The answer, surprisingly, might be yes. Scientists believe that microbial life forms could survive in these dark, cold waters. These life forms would have to adapt to extreme conditions. They'd need to survive without sunlight, under immense pressure, and with limited nutrients. Studying these organisms could provide insights into the limits of life on Earth. They could also inform our search for life on other planets and moons with similar environments. Subglacial lakes could also hold evidence of ancient life. Scientists are eager to search for signs of past organisms in the sediment at the bottom of these lakes. These organisms might have thrived when Antarctica was a warmer place. Extracting samples from these lakes is a complex and challenging task. It requires specialized drilling techniques to prevent contamination. It also involves careful analysis to ensure that any findings are accurate. Despite the difficulties, the potential rewards are immense. Section 6: Clues from the Past. Scientists have already made some intriguing discoveries in Antarctica. They've found fossils of ancient forests, indicating a much warmer past. They've also uncovered the remains of dinosaurs and other extinct creatures that once roamed the continent. These discoveries provide valuable clues about the history of life on Earth and the dramatic climate changes that have shaped our planet. They also highlight the importance of Antarctica as a repository of Earth's history. Section 7: Exploring a Hidden World. Exploring Antarctica's hidden world is a major scientific undertaking. It requires international collaboration and advanced technology. Scientists use ice-penetrating radar to map the subglacial environment. They deploy remotely operated vehicles, or ROVs, to explore the depths of subglacial lakes. These expeditions are costly and logistically challenging, but the knowledge gained from studying Antarctica's hidden world is invaluable. It helps us understand our planet's past, present, and future. It also inspires us to push the boundaries of human exploration and scientific discovery. Section 8: Mysteries Yet to be Solved. Antarctica still holds many secrets. What other forms of life might exist in its subglacial lakes and rivers? What can its ancient ice tell us about past climates and the evolution of life on Earth? Could there be undiscovered geological features hidden beneath the ice, such as volcanoes or impact craters? Answering these questions will require continued exploration, research, and international collaboration. As we delve deeper into Antarctica's hidden world, we're likely to uncover even more surprises and expand our understanding of our planet and beyond. Section 9. Antarctica's global impact. Antarctica may seem like a distant and isolated place, but it plays a crucial role in Earth's climate system. This frozen continent, often referred to as the world's refrigerator, helps regulate our planet's temperature. Its vast ice sheets reflect sunlight, keeping our planet cooler. However, as global temperatures rise, Antarctica's ice is melting at an alarming rate. The melting of its ice sheet contributes to rising sea levels, which could have significant impacts on coastal communities worldwide. Cities like New York, Tokyo, and Mumbai could face severe flooding, displacing millions of people. The loss of ice also affects ocean currents, which play a vital role in regulating weather patterns across the globe. Understanding Antarctica's past and present climate is essential for predicting future climate change. Scientists drill deep into the ice to extract cores that reveal Earth's climate history, going back hundreds of thousands of years. These ice cores contain trapped air bubbles, which provide a snapshot of the atmosphere at different points in time. The continent serves as a barometer for the health of our planet. By studying the changes in Antarctica, scientists can make more accurate predictions about global climate trends. This information is crucial for developing strategies to mitigate the effects of climate change and protect vulnerable ecosystems and communities. It's a reminder that we are all connected and that our actions have global consequences. The carbon emissions from one country can contribute to ice melting in Antarctica, which in turn can lead to rising sea levels, affecting another country thousands of miles away. This interconnectedness underscores the importance of international cooperation in addressing climate change. Studying Antarctica is not just about uncovering its secrets. It's about protecting our planet for future generations. By understanding the changes happening in this remote region, we can take informed actions to preserve the delicate balance of our environment. It's a call to action for all of us to reduce our carbon footprint and support policies that promote sustainability.